If you're getting the file format is not supported here on WhatsApp, here is how to fix it and send your file without issues. First, check the file type you are trying to send. WhatsApp supports common formats like PDF, doc, MP4, MP3, JPG, and PNG. If your file is in unusual format, it might not be accepted. In that case, for videos or photos, make sure they are not corrupted or too large. Try opening them in your gallery or file manager. If they will not open there, WhatsApp will not send them either. The best way to send a file is using the document option. Click this and then document, then find and select your file and send. Also, update WhatsApp to the latest version. Go to the Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and tap Update if available. Older versions may have bugs with certain file types. Another thing is to create is compressing the file. You can use apps like RAR or Garchivers to zip the file before sending it through WhatsApp. And finally, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network might causing sending errors even with the correct file format. And that's it. These helpful steps should help you fix the unsupported file error on WhatsApp. If this helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more.